Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming for beginners. First, select a language that is known for its simplicity and large community support. Then, familiarize yourself with fundamental programming concepts like data types, control flow, and functions. Finally, ensure your computer is ready by installing an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, and any required compilers or interpreters. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering any programming language. Start by writing short code snippets every day to solidify your understanding of new concepts. Move on to building small, practical projects, which helps apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Don't be afraid of errors. Debugging is a vital skill that teaches you how to troubleshoot and refine your code. There are many excellent resources available to aid your learning. Online tutorials and official documentation provide comprehensive information and examples. Engaging with coding communities, whether online forums or local meetups, offers invaluable support and opportunities to learn from others. Many platforms also offer free introductory courses that can provide a structured learning path. Programming is a field of constant evolution, so continuous learning is key. Keep up with updates to your chosen language and explore new technologies. Challenge yourself by tackling more complex problems and algorithms. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to gain practical experience and collaborate with other developers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.